Wonder why they say the best cure for the body is quiet mind, since now we have Pharmaroots. Welcome to Pharmaroots Healthcare. Quality, affordability, consumer satisfaction, as well as continual improvement are our key objective. Pharmaroots Healthcare is situated in the lap of Shivalik Hills of Himachal with its registered office in Barotiwala Baddi, district Solan. Our manufacturing plant has a perfect geographical reference. It is just 40 kilometers away from Chandigarh, 95 kilometers away from Shimla, and 300 kilometers from national capital New Delhi with a tempting temperature from 4 degree to 30 degree. Pharmaroots Healthcare is certified company has become a global healthcare organization and recognized as a domestic and internationally integrated healthcare pharmaceutical company through innovative quality and competence. In the world of healthcare, Pharmaroots is a very well-known name, today flagging off all across the country as well as rapidly growing day by day due to meticulous hard work and focused vision in a very short span of time. Pharmaroots has successfully developed more than 800 products and approved by Food and Drug Authority. Pharmaroots has already engaged in business association with leading pharma companies under third-party contract manufacturing and distribution network also. We are all set to cater all the top pharma tycoons which are nationally and internationally acknowledged, as well as targeting to export worldwide very soon. Pharmaroots is growing towards government supplies through tenders and direct supplies. Designated personnels of the company are Mr. Neeraj Bhatia, who is a very well versed in the field of manufacturing and supply chain in the pharma industry and having an experience of 2.5 decades. Right from the management, production, quality control, sales and marketing, Pharmaroots has very well-versed experienced quality and skilled members on board along with the best supply chain vendors. Mr. Paramdeep Singh is also one of the very important keynote personality in the company who's having vast experience in the field of marketing and regulatory affairs since almost 22 years. Our manufacturing unit is based on ultra-modern manufacturing techniques with highly advanced machinery units under the modern art of architect. The manufacturing unit has ample space for hygiene, work environment, and with the latest and ultra-modern technology machines and equipments. The manufacturing unit is capable in manufacturing the tablets, hard gelatin capsules, liquid orals in the form of syrups, suspensions, nanoshots, and drops, which includes antispasmodic drugs, anti-cold drugs, antibiotic drugs, gastric drugs, diabetic drugs, cardiovascular drugs, laxatives, cough expectorants with a capacity of 20 to 30 lakh tablets, 8 to 10 lakh capsules, and 5,000 liters of liquid orals per day. Machines. Talking about laboratory, To deliver the best quality product, medicine, its appropriate analysis are done at every single right.
We being into pharmaceutical industry since 1.5 decade, and during this span we observed various flaws in the industry which required lot of amendments and modifications. It was our mission to make our unit flawless, which we made possible by the efforts of our hardcore team. We thoroughly follow the WHO-GMP guidelines, and today we can proudly say that we are amongst one of the very few selected pharmaceutical units of India. We have awarded with WHO-GMP certificate, GMP as per revised Schedule M of Drugs and Cosmetic Tax, GLP certificate, ISO 9001, non-conviction certificate, market standing certificates, neutral code for exports, COPP for tablets, capsules and oral liquids. Altogether, Food and Drug Authority has awarded us approval to manufacture 800 plus products. We are specialized in diabetic and cardiac range of products. Our products are accepted nationwide, and now it is our vision to enter into international market soon.
Is bought from the approved vendors, still it is properly analyzed before using it.
We at Pharmaroots Healthcare believes in quality medicines. Pharmaroots Healthcare has strong nationwide distributor network with the help of core marketing team. We have another set of teams for participating in government tenders and rate of contract agreements. We have multiple verticals and division under which Pharmaroots Lifecare and Mediglory Healthcare have already been launched. Our main mission and belief is to give healthy life to the people of the nation as well as growth to our partners and alliances.
Moving forward to our stores, raw material stores, approved active material store, rejected material store, solvent material store, cold storage room to store vitamins, flavors, capsule shells and materials required special storage conditions. Day storing, where dispensed material is stored. Primary packaging material store, to store printed foils, PVC foils, Alola base foil, PP caps, PET bottles, etc. Secondary packaging material store, to store corrugated boxes, stripes, tapes, etc. Change parts store, maintenance store, scrap material store, SS trolleys for shifting. We attribute our growth and success to our channel partners with strong multicultural workforce all over India. Our team is highly skilled and now working to take it further up on its high growth trajectory. People are most valuable assets. Our culturally diverse workforce is one of our biggest strengths, and the rich experience they bring across the varied skill sets and background is invaluable. Our optimistic thought is to globalize, harmonize, process to achieve a sustainable medicine culture. There is no growth without a change. Be the change you wish to see in the world of pharma. Pharmaroots, healthier life, committed to cure.